Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. It's my favorite time of the year and for cooking. Welcome to Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2022. Come join me in my southern kitchen as I prepare and share with all of y'all some mouth-watering down-home southern Thanksgiving side dishes and desserts that your family and friends are going to love and enjoy at your holiday table. Your kitchen going to smell phenomenal. And also check out my other Thanksgiving recipes I have done in the past on my Thanksgiving playlist. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So put on your apron, grab your spices, your pots and pans, and get the stove warmed up sugar because we're about to cook and bake some Thanksgiving magic in my southern kitchen. Let the holiday cooking and baking begin. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Thanksgiving.